Dear student, today we are going to discuss question asked in NEET and JEE. First of all, NEET. The NEET માં જે પૂછાયેલા ask question છે we are going to solve. We are starting from 2019. 4D, 5P, 5F and 6P orbitals are arranged in the order of decreasing energy. Find out the correct option. For 4D, yes, energy of the orbital is depending upon n plus L value. Here 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. Now 6P, 6 plus 1 7. So having value 5 is having less energy. So 5P is least. Then 6 4D. So here 4D. So this one correct. Then 5F. Sorry, 6P. 6 plus 1, here 5 plus 3, there is mistake, 6P comes first. Yes, so A. A is our answer. 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 means 6. Here both are 6. So in this case, having less, so 4D, then 5B. Yes, 5 plus 1 means 6. 4 plus 2 means 6. So here is which answer will be true? Check out. 4D. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3. Yes, this type of rough work we have to do. And we get the true answer B. In second question, which of the following series of transitions in spectrum of hydrogen atom falls in visible region? We know there are 5 series in our hydrogen spectra. So you can see explanation in Lyman series. Our spectra is lying down in UV rays, ultraviolet region. Balmer series in visible region. Paschen series in infrared. Bracket also in infrared. So answer is the Balmer series. Now third question, orbital having 3 angular nodes and 3 total node is yes, angular node are 3. Angular node, orbital having 3 angular node and total node are 3. Total node we can define by L minus 1. Angular node we can define by L. L0 means 0 node angular. L3 means it should be F. And getting the total node n minus 1. So 4 minus 1. So answer is C. You can see. In the question number 3, the number of spherical radial node n minus L minus 1. Number of planar or angular node in orbit L equal to 3. So thus orbital should be 4f. 4f માટે L ની વેલ્યુ 3 એટલે angular knot 3 થાય and total knot will be n minus 1. So getting 3 answer here should be 4. So 4f is our answer. Now question number 4. In hydrogen atom, the Broglie wavelength of an electron in second Bohr orbit is the Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv in Bohr seconds orbit. Given Bohr's radius constant is 52.9 picometer. The second orbit ma first and second. We have to define the Broglie wavelength of electron in second orbit. Okay. Now our explanation for the fourth question. A0 is constant 52.9 picometer. So we know radius will be A0 into n square. For second orbit, here is 52.9 picometer. For second orbit, square of 2 means 4. So 4 into 52.9 gives 211.6 picometer is the radius of the second orbit. Now MVR equal to NH upon 2 pi. So 2 into h upon 2 pi for second orbit. So equal to h upon pi. For the Broglie wavelength, MVR pi is equal to h. MVR is equal to h upon pi. So MVR pi equal to h pi MVR pi equal to h. So lambda equal to h upon mv. So lambda mv equal to h. This equation we are comparing with this one. So lambda mv, when we compare mvr pi equal to lambda mv, mv cut, so pi r equal to lambda. Radius we already defined. So r is 211.6 into pi equal to lambda. So lambda equal to 211.6 pi. Yes, which is given. Answer B, 211.6 pi. Clear? Now, which one is the wrong statement? Kay wrong છે we have to define. Total orbit angular momentum of electron in s orbital is equal to 0. Angular momentum of electron in s orbital is equal to 0. First. Second, an orbital is designated by 3 quantum number when electron in an atom and designated by 4 quantum number. Orbital છે એ 3 quantum numbers થી represent થાય પણ એનો electrons છે n l m અને s 4 quantum number થી nitrogen configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3, this one true. The value of magnetic quantum number for the dz square equal to 0. Yes or no? Give me your answer. So in question number 5, according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity of electron, is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Why? You can see here is given opposite direction. These two are clockwise, it should be also clockwise. So third one is wrong. Now question number 6. So once again, which one of the wrong statement? Uncertainty principle, delta E into delta T greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi. Half filled and fully filled orbitals have greater stability due to greater exchange energy, greater symmetry and more balanced arrangement. The energy of 2s orbital is less than energy of 2p. Like hydrogen like atoms wrong થશે. So the Broglie wavelength is given by lambda equal to h upon mv. M is mass of the particle. V is the group velocity of the particle asked in 2017. So our final answer will be, you can see, in case of hydrogen like atom, energy depends only on principal quantum number. So energy of 2s and 2p. હાઇડ્રોજન લાઇટ એટલે એક જ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય એવા સ્પીસીસ, હાઇડ્રોજન, હિલિયમ, Li+2, એમાં એનર્જી ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓનલી ઓન વેલ્યુ ઓફ n. પણ મોર ધેન વન ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય તો ડિપેન્ડ્સ અપોન n પ્લસ else value. Now 7th question. How many electrons can fit in the orbital for which n equal to 3 and l equal to 1? n equal to 3 means a third orbit. L1 means p. So it should be 3p. So answer will be 6. In question number 7 now, for n equal to 3, L equal to 1, subcell is 3p, and particular 3p orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons. Only 3p કીધું હોય n orbital એટલે 3p 3 હોય તો only 3p 1 લે તો 2 જ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આવશે, ટોટલ p કહે તો 6 આવશે. Next question. Which of the following pairs of the d orbitals have electron density along the axis? એટલે કઈ પેર એવી છે કે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ shape of d orbital is double dumbbell which is not equatorial એટલે પ્લેન ઉપર નહીં પણ axial છે. So dz square is axial, then d x square minus y square is the axial. So answer is the C. In question number 8, answer is the C. Now question number 9. Two electrons occupying the same orbital are distinguished by obviously spin quantum number. Suppose both electron lying in 1s, so quantum number 1 for both n, L value 0 for both, magnetic value will be 0, but spin will be different. It should be clockwise or near anti-clockwise. So spin quantum number, question number 9. For the two electrons occupying the same orbital value n, L, M are same, but magnetic spin quantum number will be different. Plus 1 of n, minus 1 of. Next question number 10. Which is the correct order of increasing the energy of the listed orbitals in the atom of the titanium? 2015. Titanium atomic number is 22. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d2. So answer is C. 3s, 3p, 4s and 3d. So answer is C. Titanium. 3s, 3p, filling sequence 4s and 3d. Yes. Now, question number 11. The number of d electrons in Fe plus 2 ion. In the Fe plus 2 ion, number of electrons in d orbital. D electron means d orbital. Fe is not equal the number of electron which of the following. Actually, Fe after argon 4s2, 3d6, 2 electron will be removed. 4s માંથી 2 જાય, so d6, d માં 6 છે. So d electrons of Fe, yes, Fe plus 2 માં d માં 6, તો Fe માં d માં 6 જ છે ને, 2 અહીંથી રિમૂવ થાય છે, એટલે આ તો સેમ છે, આપણે નથી ગોતવાનું. p electrons in neon. Neon 10. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. એમાં 6 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે, એટલે આના સાથે મેચ થાય છે. Number of p electrons are similar. s electron in magnesium. એટલે બધી s લેવાની. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here also 6. આ પણ મિક્સ થાય છે. p electrons in chlorine. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. p electrons of chlorine. Here p6 and p5. 6 plus 5, 11 electron. Is not match with our d electrons of Fe plus 2. 11 થઈ જાય છે. The answer is D. Like this question asked in our exam. Now the angular momentum of the d orbital. The angular momentum of electron in d orbital is equal to. Answer is C. Under root 6h. Why? This question was cancelled because out of syllabus due to you can see angular momentum formula under root L plus 1 into h. For d orbital L equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 2 ja 6. So root 6 into h. So answer is C. Now question number 13. What is the maximum number of orbitals that can be identified with the following quantum number? Yes sir. N's value 3. L's value 1. Means 3p. and whenever L's value 1, so ml will be minus L 0 to plus L. So it will be minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So px, py and pz. So particularly py, otherwise px, all out of 3 માંથી એક હશે. So only 1. Yes. L is given, ml is given. So it should be 1. So answer is 1 for question number 13. Now 14. Calculate the energy in joule corresponding to light wavelength 45 nanometer. Her wavelength is given 45 nanometer. Energy we have to count in joule, so we have to convert into meter. So 45 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Planck constant is given in joule, 6.63, 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. Speed of light in meter per second. So we can define some E equal to hc upon lambda. Using this formula we can define some. So in the question number 14 you can see E equal to hc upon lambda, 45 into 10 raised to minus 9. H Planck constant 6.63, 10 raised to minus 11 into light of speed, speed of light 45 nanometer, 10 raised to minus 9. So when we divide this value, so we get 4.42, 10 raised to minus 18 joule is our answer. 4.42 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule for question number 14. Now question number 15 asked in 2014. Beryllium plus 2 ion is isoelectric with which of the following ions? In the beryllium, atomic number 4, 1s2, 2s2. In the case of beryllium plus 2 ion, 2 electron will be released from here, so 1s2. In beryllium plus 2 there are 2 electrons total. So in H plus 0, because hydrogen 1s1, H plus there is 0. In lithium 1s2, 2s1, 1 is removed, so there are 2 electrons. In sodium there should be 11, after removal of 1 there should be 10. In magnesium 12 electron, after removal of 2 there will be 10. So this is only Li plus is the isoelectronic with the beryllium plus 2. Understood like this. What is the maximum number of electrons in NEET 2013 that can be associated with the following set of quantum numbers? Maximum number of electrons, yes, n equal to 3, L1, so 3p, and m is given. So m not given, so 3p, a total 6 electron, but m is given. So out of 3p, the 3p માંથી કોઈ પણ એક જ, the 3px. So capacity of 3px maximum having electron capacity will be 2. So 2 is our answer. Question number 17. Based on equation E equal to minus 2.178 10 raised to minus 18, which is the Rydberg constant into z square upon n square, certain conclusion are written. Which of them is not correct? આ ફોર્મ્યુલા માટે કયું કરેક્ટ નથી? Equation can be used to calculate the change in energy when the electron change its orbit. For n equal to 1, the electron has a more negative energy than it does for n equal to 6, which means that the electron is more loosely bounded in the smaller allowed orbit. The negative sign in equation simply means that energy of electron bound to the nucleus is lower, then that would be electron were at the infinite distance from the nucleus. The infinite distance ઉપર એનર્જી 0 છે, તો અહીંયા માઇનસ સાઇન છે, એ બાઉન્ડેડ છે, ઇલેક્ટ્રોન બંધનમાં છે. Larger the value of n, the larger is the orbit radius. એટલે n નો નંબર 1 2 3 4 થાય તો રેડિયસ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય. Yes, yes sir. So our real answer for question number 17 is the electron is more tightly bonded in the smallest orbit, allowed orbit. B is our true answer. Why? N equal to 1, the electron has a more negative energy. Yes. N equal to 6. આની more negative જશે ને? Yes. પછી આની less થતી જાય અને 0 થઈ જાય. અંદર જાય એટલે more negative એ સાચું. Electron is more loosely નહીં. એટલે more negative છે એટલે વધારે bonded હોય છે. એટલે આન્સર B આવશે. Now question number 18. The value of Planck constant is 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. Speed of light 3 into 10 raised to 7 nanometer per second. Which value is closest the wavelength in nanometer of a quantum of light with frequency 6 into 10 raised to 15 second inverse? Now for question number 18. Yes, C equal to nu into lambda. Yes, actually nu is equal to C upon lambda. So C equal to frequency into lambda. So lambda equal to C upon nu. C is given in nanometer. 3 into 10 raised to 7 nanometer per second. Frequency 6 into 10 raised to 15. So here is second inverse, second cut. So 10 raised to 15 cut, so remaining 2. So 3 into 10 raised to 2 means 300. 300 divided by 5 gives 50 nanometer. This is our answer. Now question number 19. The outer electronic configuration of gadolinium, atomic number 64, is for gadolinium outermost configuration will be gadolinium having 64 atomic number. So for gadolinium 64, inert before gadolinium is xenon 54, then 6s2, 54 plus 2, 56, then 5d1 and 4f7 from our table. Exceptional 6s2, 5d1 and 4f7. Now question number 20. According to law of photochemical equivalence, the energy absorbed in erg per mole is given as where Planck constant 6.62 10 raised to minus 27 erg. C is given centimeter per second. Avogadro number is given. Photochemical equivalence. For this question, we know that E equal to Hc upon lambda. For 1 mole, we are multiplying by Avogadro number. So 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 27. Velocity of light 3 into 10 raised to 7. Argma એટલે centimeter per second. Avogadro number is fixed upon lambda. So 1.1955 10 raised to 8 upon lambda. So 1.196 10 raised to 8 upon lambda. Erg per mole. This is our answer for the question number 20. A. Photochemical equivalence means the energy of 1 mole photon absorbed in earth. Every values is taken in CGS on the basis the derived value is A. A is our answer. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.